Hello, my name is Glennceria, and welcome to Glennceria Loving Hands, where I show you how I make my handmade artisan soaps and luxurious skincare treats. How is everyone doing today? I hope everyone is doing great. Before we get started with this video, let me just say to my old subscribers, thank you so much for holding me down. I truly appreciate you. And to my new subscribers, welcome to Glennceria Loving Hands family. We appreciate you as well. Come on, let's get into this video. We're still working on our shower steamers. We are packaging and labeling sunny days today. Come on, let's get into this video. Okay, so what we have here, we have our sunny days shower steamers that we made the other day. Okay, we have our shower steamers. I already sealed them, as you can see. They stay sealed to save time. We have the label, front label, and we also have the back label with all the ingredients on it as well. And this is sunny days. We have our bags. I believe I picked these up from the 99-cent store. I really don't remember. I had them for a while. But you can find any bag of your choice that you like. We're going to place it in the bag. I like to bring it to one side or the other. Doesn't matter. Since my bags are bigger, I twist. And then I place my label. Let me get everything on the table so I can have some kind of support here. There you go. How is everyone doing today? I hope everyone is doing great. Let me give you the quote of today before I forget. The quote of today is, what is the quote of today? The best way to predict your future is to create it. Let me say that again. The quote of today is, the best way to predict your future is to create it. I like that. All right. If you want me to, I will go over the ingredients if you like. Once again, it will be listed down below. 2 cups of baking soda. 1 cup of citric acid. 1 tablespoon of fragrant or essential oil, a small bottle with witch hazel, water, or you can use alcohol as well to spray to get to your consistency so you can place it in your mold. It's as simple as that, guys. Simple as that. Nothing to it but to do it. If you don't want to make them, you can always buy them from my Etsy shop. And they will be listed at Glennceria Loving Hand. Just take the S off of hands. Shower steamer, sunny days. What is the essential oil in sunny days? The essential oil that I use for sunny days is sweet orange oil. So this is a nice shower steamer if you would like to wake up. Get your day going when you're feeling kind of sluggish and you don't want to get out of that bed. Take one of these shower steamers, put them behind you, put that water on in the shower, and just inhale. And this will definitely wake you up so you can start your day, okay? Sunny day shower steamer. Isn't that nice? Absolutely. What's the quote of today again? The best way to predict your future is to create it. All right? There's some things that you want to do. You feel that would better your future. You go ahead on and start making those moves, okay? And walk in silence. You don't have to tell everybody your moves sometimes. Sometimes it's good to just walk in silence. Move in silence. You don't have to tell everything what you're doing step by step. When it's all said and done, it's only you that you have to be aware of. So you don't have to tell anybody anything that you're doing. Walk in silence. There you go. Sunny days. We're moving right along here, right? Okay. Can't smell a thing because they all sealed up, and that's what you want. With shower steamers, you don't. It's not a soap. You don't want it to have a hole in it so you can breathe. Nope. You want these airtight so you can keep the scent in for as long as possible until that water hits it. Also remember, you cannot use these as bath bombs. This is not a bath bomb. This is a shower steamer. Two different things, okay? You cannot take this and use this in your tub. There's too many essential oils in this. Too much. The amount is too high. It's not skin safe. This is for you to inhale and to enjoy the fragrance, the aroma of it. All right, I'm making the bow, and now I'm tying that bow into a knot. There we go. And you know how I do. I cut up all that excess off. I don't like it. Too tall. Unnecessary. Unnecessary. Isn't that nice? Now, I'm going to be quiet and put some music on. All right, so we're done. Sunny days, shower steamers, sweet orange, essential oil. Okay? Have a good day. I see you in the next video. Love you always from Glennceria Loving Hands. See you in the next video. Bye now. Next video, we are going to continue with our shower steamers. We will be making Heavenly Lavender and Paradise. So that's lavender essential oil along with Lang Lang essential oil. Love you guys. Have a great and safe day. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.